In this question, you have to match the plants given in list 1 with the type of androecium given in list 2. Now, in China rose, the stamens are united by their filaments into a single bundle, and this condition is termed as monoadelphous. Thus, A matches with 4. In P, the stamens are grouped into two bundles, one consisting of 9 stamens and the other a single free stamen. And this arrangement is called diadelphous. Thus, B matches with 2. In citrus, that is oranges or lemons, the stamens are united by their filaments into more than 2 bundles. And this condition is called polyadelphous. Thus, C matches with 1. In lily, the stamens are attached to the perianth. It may be petals or tepals rather than directly to the receptacle. And this condition is known as epiphyllous. Thus, D matches with 3. Hence, the correct answer is option C.